In today's world of thousands of tokens, some pumping, most dumping, choosing the right crypto project can be shocking, overwhelming, and absolutely critical. But what if one token wasn't just about hype? What if it was actually built for something real, like Web3 gaming? Imagine a token offering Ethereum level speed, but with zero gas fees. A token that's part of an ecosystem with its own nodes, run by users like you, who earn rewards every single day. Picture a fully integrated platform that includes wallets, a marketplace, SDKs, and even its own game studio, all in one place. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's real. Meet the Myria token. In this video, we're diving deep into the power of Myria. We'll walk through the official Myria Node page and show you how to become part of the future of Web3 gaming. This is part 1 of our series, so make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the revolution is decentralized, and Crypto Chronicles is here to break it all down. Let's go. Okay guys, so what exactly is Myria? It's a crypto project that's not just hype. It's actively redefining Web3 gaming from the ground up. Myria already powers real games across various genres, racing, PvP, open world, and gives players true ownership, incredible speed, and zero friction. Whether you want to build, play, or grow, you can do it all on one platform. The Myria SDK makes game development easy. You don't need to know Solidity or Cairo. Myria's tools offer ready-to-use code snippets and plug-and-play features, so whether you're a solo developer or a full-fledged studio, you can launch faster without the heavy lifting. On top of that, Myria's Layer 2 solution offers zero gas fees. That means minting and trading NFTs, or interacting with dApps, costs nothing. It's smooth, it's scalable, and it's finally user-friendly. All of this is built on Ethereum, the most secure blockchain out there. Myria delivers scale without sacrificing trust, using cutting-edge ZK Stark rollups developed by Starkware. This lets the platform roll up thousands of transactions into one ultra-efficient batch. Think of it like sending 1,000 actions in one clean move. That's Myria power. Now let's talk about why building on Myria is a literal game changer. Myria's fast launch environment is thanks to its modular APIs, which are tailor-made for Web3 gaming. Whether you're launching an NFT collection or building a fully immersive game world, everything you need is right here. The Myria Core SDK is your complete toolkit to launch NFTs and ERC20 tokens on Myria's Layer 2. You can mint, burn, and transfer assets with zero gas and zero stress. Once your NFTs are live, you can showcase them on the Myria Marketplace, the official hub for trading and discovery. Display your creations, let users buy, sell, and trade, all within the ecosystem. Next up is the Myria Wallet SDK, which connects players to their NFTs seamlessly. It handles user authentication and allows devs to pull balances and assets directly into the game. No need for complex wallet setups, just clean integration. And then there's the Myria Game SDK, designed to simplify player access and back-end management. Players can log in using just an email and password, while developers get robust tools to handle everything from profiles to stat tracking, all backed by Myria's secure infrastructure. The cherry on top? The Myria Developer Portal. It's intuitive, fast, and powerful. You can onboard, create projects, push builds, and go live in just a few hours. Myria has taken the complexity out of blockchain game development. So the question is, why wait? The tools are here. The tech is fast. The user experience is seamless. Start building with Myria today, and become part of the next wave of Web3 gaming. Still wondering what makes Myria stand out? Let's look at the numbers and tools that power the ecosystem. Myria has already surpassed 2 million player wallets, real users participating in its gasless gaming universe. This isn't a small pilot, it's a growing force. Thousands of developers are building on Myria, thanks to easy integration and zero need for deep blockchain expertise. The SDKs handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to hire a full dev team to get started. With Myria's infrastructure, developers can launch up to 10x faster. The high throughput and instant transaction finality make it perfect for rapid game deployment and NFT launches. And here's a cost-saving kicker. Myria reduces development expenses by up to 96%. Less time, less coding, and fewer expenses mean you can launch with leaner teams and faster timelines. Now for one of the biggest opportunities, Myria Node ownership. We'll go deeper into this in part 2, but here's a sneak peek. By running a Myria Node, you can earn daily Myria token rewards, receive limited edition NFTs, and help secure the entire network. It's a passive earning model built directly into the core infrastructure. Then there's the Myria token, not just a coin, but a utility powerhouse. It fuels the game rewards, allows for governance participation, and drives real adoption within the ecosystem. And let's not forget the Myria Marketplace, your launchpad into a thriving community. List your NFTs, reach users, and start building traction, all within the Myria ecosystem. All of this is powered by the Myria SDK. Just a few lines of code and your game is live on a secure, gasless Ethereum L2. It's all here. It's all live. Now let's get into the heart of today's deep dive, Myria Nodes. Why should you care about owning one? Well, if you're a crypto enthusiast, miner, or someone who believes in decentralized infrastructure, this is for you. Myria Nodes are the backbone of the ecosystem. They support the Layer 2 network, process data, provide storage, secure transactions, and keep the platform decentralized. And here's the big thing. There will only ever be 40,000 Myria Nodes. That number is fixed. No more will ever be created. This makes node ownership exclusive, powerful, and potentially valuable long-term. But what do these nodes actually do? A lot. They help test the network, provide decentralized data storage, act as oracles to feed smart contracts real-world data, and support governance, letting you vote on the future of the platform. They're essential to keeping Myria decentralized, secure, and lightning fast. If you missed out on the early Bitcoin mining days, this is your second shot. Myria Node owners earn daily Myria rewards, exclusive NFTs, and governance power, just by keeping the node online for at least 6 hours a day. That's it. No complicated setup. Just 6 hours of operation equals daily payouts. More than that, you'll get daily Myria token rewards, random NFT drops, some of which may have a game value and voting power in upcoming governance proposals. And yes, these NFTs aren't just cosmetic. Many may offer future in-game benefits or ecosystem perks. Early supporters are always in a strong position. For those wanting to dive deeper into the mechanics, I've linked official node resources and articles down in the description. Read those if you're serious about earning and scaling. Here's the real heat. Over 6.1 million Myria tokens are distributed daily to Myria Node owners. In the most recent cycle, 9,676 nodes were online, actively earning rewards. And no, it's not too late. There are still 29,796 Myria Node licenses available, but time is ticking. Currently, each license is priced at $6,400. And only 64 more nodes need to be sold before the next price increase hits. Starting December 8th, Myria introduced a price ramp mechanism. Every 100 licenses sold pushes the price up by $100. It's designed to reward early adopters, and it's working. The starting price was $4,500, and look where we are now. As more licenses are sold, prices will continue to climb. If you're thinking about it, don't wait. Every hour could mean a higher entry price. Owning a Myria node unlocks daily Myria rewards, governance rights, exclusive NFT drops, and referral rewards for every new buyer you bring in. And the setup is simple. Step 1. Purchase a node license. Step 2. Set up your node. Full tutorial is coming in the next episode. Step 3. Operate your node and earn daily points. And Step 4. Claim your rewards directly via Myria Layer 2. You can start by connecting your MetaMask wallet, approving the signature, and logging into your Myria L2 wallet. You'll see the node license listed at 4,703,357.756 Myria tokens, equal to $6,400. Just check the box for the terms, input my referral code, and you're ready to go. Remember, only 40,000 licenses will ever exist. Supply is limited. Prices are rising. The next jump could happen today. This isn't just a purchase. It's long-term passive income and future governance power in the Myria world. And that's just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Myria node and start claiming rewards step by step. It's easier than you think, and way more rewarding than you expect. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Part 2 is coming up next, and trust me, you'll want to be ready. Let's build the future of Web3 gaming together.